You've probably seen those viral videos that are making thousands of dollars. The great news is that competition in this niche is low, which means you can grow quickly and earn more money. You can post these videos on Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, making money across all platforms. Today, I will show you how to create these types of videos using free AI tools. So, without further ado, let's get started. Gathering images and prompts. But first, the most important thing we need is images and the right prompts to generate those images. I have created a list of the best prompts to generate amazing images. Make sure you watch until the end because I'll share a trick that will make you a prompt expert. You'll never have to worry about prompts again. Introducing Kling AI. Now, let's move on to generating the videos. Meet Kling AI, your new best friend for creating AI-generated content. Here's the homepage. As you can see, we have a couple of different options: AI images, AI videos, and even a video editor that's coming soon. Here are some example videos generated by the community. But today, our main focus will be on the AI video generator. Creating an account. Just click on Sign Up and enter your email and password. Upon your first sign up, you'll receive 66 free credits. These credits expire after 24 hours. But don't worry, you'll get 66 free credits daily. Generating videos. Now let's try the text-to-video feature. Here, you can see the prompt section. Simply paste this prompt and hit enter. I'll leave a Google Docs link in the video description below, so feel free to use it for your projects. Once you've entered the prompt, let's head to the settings. This is the creativity scale, where you can adjust the level of creativity. The higher the slider is on relevance, the more the video will follow the prompt. On the other hand, if you slide it towards creativity, the video generator has more freedom to create what it wants. After adjusting the creativity level, you'll find the mode section. There are two options, standard and professional. Keep in mind, professional mode is only available for premium users. Next up is the video length. You can choose between 5-second and 10-second videos, but remember, the 10-second option is also for premium users only. You can also set the frame ratio or aspect ratio according to your preference. You can also use negative prompts if you want to exclude certain elements from your video, but this is optional. Now we're ready to generate the video. This will cost 10 credits per generation. Let's hit generate and wait for the magic to happen. Alright, here's the output video. It took around 4 to 5 minutes to generate. Here's the second example. And wow, this looks outstanding. Final video editing. Now let's move on to the most important part, final video editing. As always, we'll use CapCut for this purpose. Open CapCut, start a new project, and upload all the visuals you generated earlier. Next, click the button and adjust the aspect ratio to 9:16. This is perfect for vertical videos on platforms like Instagram and TikTok. Then, arrange the videos on the timeline. If you want to add background music, you can easily do that too. I highly recommend using trending music from Instagram or TikTok so that your video has a higher chance of going viral. To make your video more engaging, let's add transitions between scenes. CapCut offers a variety of transitions that you can use to smoothly blend one scene into the next. Additionally, you can add effects and animations to give your video. Finally, hit the export button to download your final output. And there you have it, a fully edited AI-generated video, ready to be shared. Before we watch the final video, can you do me a small favor? Click that like button and subscribe to my channel. It really helps me a lot in growing this channel. And if there are any topics you'd like us to cover, please let me know in the comments below. Now let's watch the final video together. As promised, here's how you can become a prompt expert. It's very simple. First, go to this website. Upload a reference image and click on Generate Prompt. The site will give you a prompt to generate images similar to your reference image. You can use this trick for any kind of image you want to generate. Just upload your image, and you'll get a high-quality prompt every time. With this method, you'll never have to worry about creating effective prompts again. Thank you so much for watching.